Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat, and we're on prompts 47 and 48. And 47 is watercolor, and 48 is bird. This challenge is almost over, but she does have a second challenge called 50 Stack Challenge too, and I'm participating in that as well. So check them both out. I'll have their hashtag 50 Stack Challenge and hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. And Amy's channel, Crafty Cat, I'll have it listed in my description box down below. So I hope y'all are having a great day. So without further ado, let's get started. here are my finished guest checks. Number 47 is watercolor, and then I just doodled this flower on top, added a butterfly, made a tag of it, and just sewed around the edge. And 48 is bird, and I just used some water-soluble oil pastels to make a background, added my bird and sewed around it, and this will probably be a journaling card. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. She's so talented. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge and 50 Stack Challenge too. So, y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.